Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Facebook account completely private on phone. So the very first thing you have to do, you have to just come to the Facebook, and on the top three lines you have to click here. And after that you have to just go to the setting and privacy and just click on setting and privacy here. Then just go to the setting, and after that on the search bar you have to type privacy. Okay, and after that just click on the privacy and you will get the first option, check a few important settings. Okay, so click on here, and after that you will get all these options. So we have to go one by one, so we will just click here the first one, and after that we will click on continue, and here you have to select only me, and from you have to select only me, and you have to do same thing with every option, right? For example, if you just go to friends, you have to select every me and just click on the next and next and next. Okay, and just review another topic, then you have to just go to the another topic, you have to continue, and you have to do the same thing. And here if you want to turn on the alerts you can do it, otherwise just go back, and here are the third option, just click on continue, and just you can select friends of friends. Okay, and after that just go back. Now this the fourth option, just click on continue and just click on the next and review another topic. So you add preferences, the last topic, click on the continue, click on the next, and here you can select according to you, right? So this is pretty easy guys. The main thing that you have to just select on the first option only me, and this is it. So if you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video and also subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.